Do you remember that I had broken my glasses last week? I found just the right thing to repair it with. I found a piece of wire and I repaired my glasses. My world is bright again. Hello everybody, welcome to the English Empire. I'm Deepika and I'm an English language coach, and today I'll be talking about the word just. Do you know that this word can be used at different places with different meanings? Let's see how it can be used. अभी में हुआ हो, हाल ही में हुआ हो, immediately कुछ भी हुआ हो, we can talk about it with the use of word just. So for example, I have just been to the bank. Or we have just seen this movie. Another sentence can be, I am just going to finish this. I am just going to finish this. He is just getting ready. This word can also be used instead of merely or simply, only. जैसे कहते हैं ना सिर्फ, ऐसे ही. For example, don't worry, it's just a phase. किसी को कहना हो बस ये समय है, निकल जाएगा. It's just a phase. This gift is just perfect. इसको exactly की जगह भी यूज करते हैं. जैसे Priya is just the right person for this job. That's just what I want to hear. You look just like your brother. बिल्कुल अपने भाई जैसे लगते हो. You look just like your brother. Just का दूसरा मीनिंग होता है honest, ईमानदार. He is a just man. कई जगह हम भगवान के लिए भी ये यूज करते हैं. God is just. Just मतलब ईमानदार है, merciful है, justice देने वाला है. God is just. कभी कभी शब्द को जोर देने पे भी बोला जाता है. किसी चीज पे जोर डालना या emphasis डालना. I'm just tired of all this. Sometimes we also use it to express opinions. मैं क्या सोचती हूँ? I'm just sharing what I think. I'm just sharing. कभी कभी टोन को सॉफ्ट करने के लिए भी, to be a little polite, to have a softer tone to the sentences. Could you just pull that chair for me? I'm just wondering if I could speak to you. Or let's just study for 20 minutes. Now it is a dangerous territory. Using just could be confusing. दो जगह इसका यूज बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. Avoid using it as a filler word. जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते समय दो sentences को या कुछ words को जोड़ने के लिए we usually say, you know, like. So do not use just as a filler word or a connecting word. The second place you should avoid using just is in formal language. Emails में. Please reduce or completely avoid the use of word just in emails. I'm sharing some more sentences on how to use this word in the description below. Do check that out. Just be careful in using this word and just have fun. The English Empire is on Instagram and on Facebook. Please follow it there. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And I will see you soon with another video.